So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket, and we have a big release today, that is Qwen3-235B-A22B Instruct 2507, which is now beaten Kimi K2, the best open source model as you can see on the benchmarks, and is available for free to use. The weights are open sourced, and in this short video I will be telling you how to use the free API key as well. So as you can see on the benchmark, it is able to beat out Kimi K2 on some major benchmarks like GPQA, AIME, Live Code Bench, Arena Hard, BFCL, etc. So this is a serious contender for the best open sourced AI model with Kimi K2, and at times beating out Claude Opus 4 and DeepSeek and GPT-4 as well. So we would be using the free API key for Qwen3 235, the new version. So first of all, you need to go to Open Router and search for Qwen3. As you can see, Qwen3 235B-A22B-2507. This is the model we need to choose. Once you choose it, here you can see that it is the free version. You need to go to the API section and then click on Create API Key. Once you create an API key, you need to go back to the model page again, where the codes are present how to use the model for free. Using the API, the model is huge, hence you can't use it directly in your local system most of the time. Click on the API page, scroll a bit, and you should see the Python code here. So this is the code that I would be using now. Let me switch to my code section, and here on Google Colab you can see that I am ready. This is the API that I'm passing, that I created right now. The code remains the same, and once you hit enter, the entire output is coming here. The model looks to be great. I think I did a video covering its technical details, and this time this is how you can use the free API key using Open Router. The codes are present on the page, and here you can see that the output is also coming out quite nicely. If you wish to try out something else, some other prompt, you can try it here again. What is 23 minus 4 plus 4? So I'm just prompting out something random, because we're not testing the quality of the output, but just the API is working for us. As you can see, we are able to run it. Let's see what output we have got, and we have got the output here. So as you can see, it is able to get 23 as the output. So this is how you can use the best open source AI model for free without using a single penny on GPU, using the free API provided by Open Router. Qwen3 235B-A22B-0725 is now live. Thank you so much.